Hello and welcome to the Happy Homemaker. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make these lemon blueberry muffins. I actually got this recipe from the Bigger Bolder Baking Everyday Cookbook. I just added my icing recipe on it. If you want to see the link to her recipe, I will put that below. I will also write my methods of making this recipe in the description below. Here's the list of ingredients, and now let's get started. We're going to start off by lining our muffin tins. This will make 11 muffins in total. And then just set that aside. And now let's just add our dry ingredients to a bowl. Our flour, our baking powder, and our salt. Whisk that together and then set it aside. Now in a large bowl, we're just going to be adding the sugar and the lemon zest. And I'm just pressing the lemon zest into the sugar, and I'm going to mix that until it turns a pale yellow. As you can see, I'm just pressing the lemon zest into the sugar. Once that's done, add in your oil and mix. I'm using canola oil. Now add in your whole milk and mix that together. Add in your plain yogurt and mix. Now add in your room temperature egg. For me, if I want to bring an egg to room temperature, I just stick it in a bowl of hot water and let it sit for a few minutes. Now add in the vanilla and mix that together. Once that's all mixed together, we're just going to be adding the dry ingredients onto the wet. And try not to overmix, just mix until you just stop seeing flour. Now we're just going to be adding in our blueberries and then just gently fold those in. And then just add your batter to your muffin tins. It's about 2.5 to 3 tablespoons of batter per muffin. I just add 2 first to each one and then even them all out. And now while those are baking for 30 minutes, we're just going to get our icing together, which is 2/3 cups of icing sugar, a tablespoon of lemon juice, and a tablespoon of whipping cream, and just mix that together. And we're going to be adding this to the muffins after they cool on a cooling rack for 30 minutes. And then just allow the icing to set. And that's what they look like when they're done. This is a delicious recipe, so that's why I wanted to share it with you. I hope you enjoy it, and if you want to see more recipes like this, don't forget to subscribe to the Happy Homemaker. If there's any recipes that you'd like me to make, just leave a comment in the comment section. Thanks for watching, and have a great day and enjoy these delicious blueberry muffins. Bye!